so I can put that on there. So I got minus 8 equals 24. Okay, so we put these two together and that gave me the 4, and then we got that 8 from the other 8. Okay, now we're gonna add or subtract the kid. Who's the kid? The 8. Okay, so we're gonna say plus 8 plus 8. Okay, so I got negative 4x equals, what's 24 plus 8? 32. Okay, and then now I'm ready for a breakup. So how do I break that up? Divide by negative 4. X equals negative 8. It's the same thing as yesterday. We added one extra step of combining first. Okay? Jimmy La, do you have your iPad? You need to go down to the library. Take your iPad with you.
No, it's not that. You said you want to do that practice.
Okay, look at 3. What can we combine? 2 and the negative 5. So we can put this 2 and negative 5 together to give me what? Negative 3. Okay, and then what else do I have I haven't used? Minus 8r equals 5. Okay, now we're going to add or subtract our kid. Who's the kid?
8. No, 3.
3. Okay, how do I move a minus 3? Add 3. Okay, so I got negative 8r equals 8. Okay, now what do I do? Now I'm ready for the breakup. How do I break those two up? Divide. Okay, every single step you're going to combine, add, subtract, and then multiply or divide. So you pick one from the options I put up top. Okay, so we say divide by negative 8. We got r equals negative 1. Okay, look at 5. What can we combine? Or can we combine anything? 7n plus 1n. Okay, so we can put the n's together. And so what's a 7 and a 1? 8. So I'm going to have 8n equals negative 16. Okay, now we're going to add or subtract the kid. Who's the kid? Huh? There ain't none. They ain't got no kids. Okay, so now we're ready for a breakup. So how do we break that up? Divide. That's where you guys always get stuck. The last step. Okay, we're going to divide. So we divide by 8. If they're right next to each other, what does that mean? It means multiply, so we need to divide. I know yawning allowed in my room, man. I'm not boring, so don't yawn in my room. Just disrespect. Okay, go to the next page. Okay, 7. Can we combine terms? Here, put that up. Huh? Can we combine terms?
Yeah, 7n and negative 1n.
7n and a negative 1n is going to give me what?
6n.
6n equals 6. Okay, who's the kid? They ain't got no kids. Okay, so then our next step is to do what? Divide by 6. Okay, look at 9. What can we combine?
X.
2 and a 1.
The 2 and the 1. Okay, so 2 and a 1 is gonna give me what? 3. And then I still have the x equals 0. Okay, who's the kid? 3. How do I move that 3?
Plus
No, minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yeah, I knew that.
You'll get it. You get it. X equals 0 minus 3 is what?
0.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
Look at you.
I said negative 3.
Okay, and then now we're ready to break up. What do we need to break up? Hmm?
Divide.
There ain't no breakup, man.
That's
That's
it.
it.
So you could technically, what number's in front of there?
1.
There's a 1. Okay, but that just creates an extra step, because even if I divide by 1, it's still, my answer's still gonna be negative 3. Okay, so when it's like this and there's no number in front, that's like being a single parent, right? So there's nothing to break up with. Okay? It's got a kid, that's it.
That's cool.
Okay, look at 11. Is there anything for us to combine?
4x is 6x.
4x and a 6x is gonna give me what? 10x. Okay, who's the kid?
No one.
They ain't got no kids. Okay, so now we're ready for a breakup. How do we break that up? Divide. So I got x equals what?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Okay, look at 13. What can we combine?
8, 7.
8 and the 7. Okay, and it's really a minus 7. Okay, so we got this 8 and this minus 7 is going to give me what?
Negative 15.
Mm-mm. So you would just type it in your calculator, do it like this. 8 and then minus 7. 1. 1k minus 3 equals negative 3. Okay, who's the kid?
3.
Negative 3.
Which one?
Negative.
The one on the left.
The one.
The one on the left.
Yeah.
Okay? So we say plus 3 plus 3. So I got 1k equals, what is negative 3 plus 3? 0. Okay, now we're ready for a breakup. So how do we break them up?
Divide.
Divide. Okay, what is 0 divided by 1? 0. Okay, 15, what can we combine? Negative 3x and a negative 6x to give me what?
9.
Negative 9x
Yeah, that.
equals 9. Who's the kid?
Nobody.
They ain't got one. Okay? And then now we're ready to break up. How do I break that up? Divide by negative 9. X equals negative 1.
Cool.
Okay, look at 17. What can we combine?
6 and a 4.
The 6 and the 4 to give me what? 10. So I got negative x plus 10 equals 9. Okay, who's the kid?
10.
The 10. How do I move the 10?
It's a negative.
We're going to make it a negative. So I got negative x equals, and it's going to be negative 1.
Yeah.
Okay, now what? We're ready for a breakup. How do we break that up? Okay, what number is in front of the x? A 1. So now let me ask you, how do you break that up?
Plus 1.
It's just like what we've been doing the whole time, so don't let one trip you up. Divide. So you got x equals -1 divided by a -1,
Positive one.
+1. Okay, 19, we got -5x minus 5x equals 20. What can we combine?
5x.
The 5x's, it's gonna give me what?
Wait, what? What? What?
Okay, we're gonna have -10x equals 20. Who's the kid?
Nobody.
Nobody. So now what?
We gonna have to,
Divide by -10.
correct.
You're gonna have x equals -2.
What'd you say?
Okay, 21. What can we combine?
The x.
We can combine the x's. So I got
7 and 6.
7 and a 6. It's gonna give me a what?
1.
A 1x minus 6 equals -12. Who's the kid?
6.
The 6. How do I move a 6? Huh?
You, add.
We're gonna add it. So I got 1x equals -6. Okay, now we're ready for a breakup. How do I break that up? Divide by -1, or 1. Okay, I would like you to cross off the whole back page, so 23 through 26. Okay, you're gonna do all the even ones.